Hello and welcome back to Sarah's Sparkle Yarns. I'm Sarah and I like to reuse and reclaim scrap fiber. In today's video I'm spinning yarn from a fiber bat I made from some reclaimed fiber that I hadn't used all of. The fiber I used to create this bat for this yarn includes teal merino wool, heathered gray alpaca I dyed to another shade of green, a light purple firestar, some glow-in-the-dark fiber, and a lot of Angelina sparkle in a variety of shades. As I'm spinning this yarn, I'm using a small crochet hook to add sequins into the single ply of yarn. For those sequins, the smallest hook I'm using is a 1.3mm hook, also known as a US size 10 hook. I chose sequins in reds, pinks, purples, greens, and gold and silver hollow to add into this yarn, giving it a floral look. My method of adding sequins prevents them from sliding around during the spinning process. This method works for other items and not just sequins. Beads, charms, buttons, or anything of that sort will work. All that is required is a crochet hook small enough to place your item on and yarn over to pull through your fiber on the other side, locking the item in place. After that, rejoin your fiber source to your yarn and keep on spinning. Since the objects attached do not move around from where they are placed, plying is not required for the finished yarn. I'm choosing to chain ply because I like the look and texture of this finished yarn though. It can be tricky to chain ply your yarn with the items crocheted in. I do recommend pulling the item on the yarn through the loop before letting it ply together. By doing it this way, your item isn't sliding against the previous loop in the chain ply, getting caught as you try to pull up that yarn. It can be tricky to untangle it if it gets caught, so prevention is best. I'd like to thank all of my subscribers and everyone else for watching and engaging with my videos and content. Since this time last year, my channel has grown at an amazing rate, all thanks to you, my viewers. You've likely noticed that I've been trying different things with my channel. I've been making shorts videos here and there in addition to my regular weekly content. I've also fixed a few of the links around my channel that I realized weren't working, such as the link to my Redbubble shop and my Instagram handle. I also have a few new designs up this week in my Redbubble shop. If you haven't already, I hope you'll leave a like, comment on, and share this video with others. If you would like to be notified of new videos, clicking the bell icon when you subscribe will tell YouTube to make that happen. I'll do my best to keep bringing the quality yarn and fiber content. Stay until the end to see the finished yarn and enjoy the rest of the video.